Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into some insider tips on where to find crappie during the sweet spot when the water temperatures range from 50 to 55 degrees. If you're targeting pre-spawn crappie, this is the perfect time to put these tips to use. Let's talk about where to find them, what they're doing, and how to catch them. When the water temperature hits 50 to 55 degree range, crappie are in their pre-spawn phase. They're actively feeding and preparing for the upcoming spawn season, so they're much more aggressive and willing to bite. This is known as the pre-spawn feeding frenzy. It's the best time to get those crappie in the boat. Crappie typically hang out on flats between 6 and 15 feet deep water during this time. They'll be near the edge of creek channels as they migrate towards shallows, back bays, and coves, which are primarily spawning grounds. These areas provide the perfect mix of deep water and the shelter of nearby shallow areas. One thing to remember is that the cover is key. Crappie will stage around structures like submerged logs, brush piles, docks, and standing timber. These are spots where they can hide and ambush prey. When you find these spots, chances are you have found a hot spot for pre-spawn crappie. Don't forget creek channels. These natural migration paths lead crappie to their spawning grounds. If you're fishing near these channels, you're in a great spot to intercept crappie as they're moving toward their final spawning location. Back bays and coves are the final piece of the puzzle. These shelter areas provide crappie with safe haven as they prep for their shallow spawning areas. If you're able to locate these, you're in a sweet spot to catch them just before they head into the shallowest waters to spawn. To recap, when water temperatures are between 50 and 55 degrees, focus on shallow flats, creek channels, and areas with lots of cover like brush piles and docks. The pre-spawn crappie are feeding aggressively and are ready to bite, so make sure you're fishing in the right spots. Drop your comments below if you've had success targeting crappie during this time, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found these tips helpful. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more fishing tips and updates. Catch you on the water.